Namaskar, I am Dr. D.R. Patnaik. Welcome for the weekly weather discussion in India Meteorological Department. So the salient features for the week that is prevailing last week, that is from 20 to 26 March, if you see, there are two western disturbances and there are cyclone circulation and also the low level wind convergence that is associated with all these systems. The rainfall, thunderstorm activity, hailstorm that is recorded over different parts of the country. Hailstorm mainly over the east central and northeast and central and southern part of the country. Heavy rainfall also recorded over the Odisha, and due to the rainfall and thunderstorm activity, there were no heat wave condition prevailed during the week over the many parts of the country. Now if you see thunderstorm with lightning during the week, so a major part of the country reported thunderstorm and lightning during different days except some part of western and northwestern part of the country. And if we see the hailstorm activity also east central part of the country that is reported hailstorm on many days during the week, including Jharkhand, East MP, Odisha, Assam, Meghalaya, Vidarbha, and also some part of the southern India. So this is the hailstorm activity during the week. And if we see heavy rainfall, as I said, Odisha got heavy rainfall 22nd March, heavy to very heavy rainfall, and also some part of East MP, Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and coastal Andhra Pradesh also got heavy rainfall during the week. Now the major rainfall, as you see, except heavy rainfall, if we include all the rainfall, so it is over the mainly the east central part of the country and also some part of the southern peninsula. So this is the major rainfall, and WD associated rainfall also there over the northern part of the country, and this is associated with north-south lower level wind convergence over the region. And maximum temperature during the week 20 to 26 March, it was above normal over the northwest part of the country, and also as a result this is the mean temperature, that is maximum and minimum temperature average, that is also above normal over northwest part of the country. However, over east central and southern part of the country the temperature was below normal, and there were no heat wave condition prevailed during the week. And the rainfall, weekly and cumulative rainfall, that our pre-monsoon season commencing from 1st March. And if we see the last week rainfall activity, that is from 20 to 26th March, actually it was the less than normal, 32% less rainfall reported over the country as a whole. However, central India and southern peninsula got good rainfall activity during the week from 20 to 26 March. As a result of this thing, the cumulative rainfall, that is from 1st March to till now the 26th of March, till the rainfall recorded over the country as a whole is minus 24%. That means till the pre-monsoon season is less than normal. However, your southern peninsula is positive, that is 45% above normal. Other all three regions, northeast, northwest and central India, cumulative rainfall is less than normal. And today, the 27th March, the major synoptic conditions, no major synoptic conditions are prevailing. But if you see, there is one WD western disturbance is approaching from the Afghanistan-Pakistan region, and there is cyclone circulation over the Pakistan region, another cyclone circulation over Arunachal Pradesh region, and your north-south wind trough that is from Maharashtra to northern Kerala region, that is prevailing, and also the upper troposphere we can see the trough. Then this is a forecast from the global model. So global model forecast associated with WD, some rainfall expected over the northern India, and also isolated rainfall and some isolated rainfall also are expected during the next coming week, that is from 28th March to 3rd April. And if we see the warning, already this warning for day-to-day warning for next 7 days already have discussed in our date video, but though no major warning are there, means no orange or red color warning are there. However, the thunderstorm, dust storm and over northwestern India, and also heat wave over Odisha, particularly on day 3 to day 4, that is also expected, and hot and humid conditions that will also prevail over the western part of the country, that is coastal belt of Gujarat and Maharashtra, that is mainly on day 3 and day 4. And we see the forecast for next 2 weeks, that is based on our couple model. So it is rainfall is expected over some part of northern India and northeast India and southern peninsula. However, if we see the departure from normal, the expected rainfall will be slightly above normal over the southern peninsula, particularly during week 2, that is from 4th April to 10th April, and most of the rainfall over other part of the country during the first week, that is from 28th March to 3rd April also will be normal, and even the week 2 also, except southern peninsula, it will be the normal. Then when we see the temperature forecast, for maximum temperature forecast over the different part of country during next 2 weeks. So first week actually only some parts of the eastern belt of India, that is Orissa and Chhattisgarh and adjoining region, that is, and northeastern state, that are expected to be above normal rainfall. Week 1 we can also expect some heat wave condition over that region. And when we go to the week 2, that is from 4th April to 10th April, the temperature, above normal temperature area will be expanded, that will prevail over northwest India, northern India and also east central part of India. As a result, we can also expect heat wave conditions during the second week, that is from 4th April to 10th April over the east central part of the country. And cyclogenesis, this is the cyclone season. So we are commencing cyclone season. So during the first week, that is from 28th March to 3rd April, there is no cyclogenesis is expected as per the prediction from the model. But when we come to the week 2, that is from 4th April to 10th April, there is low probability of cyclogenesis over the South Bay of Bengal and adjoining Andaman Sea. So that we will keep watch on how it is intensifying into a depression or not. So that is low probability expected of cyclogenesis in week 2. So these are the major features that I discussed for the week, and also what we are expecting during next 2 weeks. So that forecast you can get it from our different website and also the different apps available from IMD. Thank you. Namaskar.